Hello everyone. Let's see how ElmJr help kids to draw whatever they want. So first of all, I click on this plus on the right upside, and then this will create a new editor for me. Okay, here is the editing environment. It has three parts. The main part the kid needs to work with is the left part, which has the part of the code which can be edited by the kid. And this right side, the up side, is where the kid needs to work with, actually displays whatever they're trying to create. So what I want to do is to delete whatever we have here. We had some default code. I deleted that. I want to create something from the scratch and maybe explain a bit for you how to work with this. The first thing is that I click on this bracket and I will change it to the second item here, which means that I want to add something here. Then if I click on this, it means that I want to start a new shape. And then I can choose between these different things I have here, like a circle, rectangle, square, round rectangle, many other things. Like, for example, here I want to create an ice cream, so I'm thinking about an Ngon, and I'm going to create a triangle with an Ngon. Okay, so as you can see, when I clicked on Ngon, I got some holes. Like there are arguments for creating an Ngon. Like, you know that when you're creating an Ngon, first of all you need to know how many edges you will have, and the second one you need to know the length of each edge. So this first argument is the number of the edges. So I click on this, and I will change this value to 3. And then I click on the second one and I will change this to like 20, which is the length of each edge of my triangle. Okay, as you can see, it's created in the right side. Then I'm going to fill it with some color. I'm going to change it to some light brown. So I click here. As you can see, it's created there. Okay, I don't want it like this. I want it to look like a I think they say clone, like where they put the ice cream in. So I am going to add some feature to this, which is related to rotating. So easily I can add rotate as one of the features of this Ngon. And for rotating, obviously we need a argument which is related to like how much should I rotate this. When I click on this, I can choose between different inputs, and I'm going to choose degrees because I want to input the value in degrees, and now I can click on this hole here, and I'm going to change it to like minus 90, so the triangle will be, yeah, as you can see, it has rotated minus 90 degrees. Okay, so I'm done with this Ngon. I'm going to add another shape. So I click on the bracket again, and I choose the last one because last one lets me add a new shape. And then I click on this hole again. I want to add a new shape. Like right now I'm gonna add some ice cream scopes, so I will go with a circle. Yeah, and again, circle has a hole, which means that it needs one square. As you know that when we're creating a circle, we would only have it knowing one measure, we can create a circle, and we only need to know the radius. So it says radius, as you can see, it has circle radius, and I'm going to put like 12, I don't know. Yeah, it's very big, but I think it's good. And then I'm going to change the color to green. Okay, so I don't want this to be here. I want it to like move a bit, so I can easily click and add a new feature. Like I'm going to choose this one, which says move. And then for moving, you know, we need two arguments. Like we need to know how much we should move in x axis, and we need to know how much we need to move in y axis, y axis. So two arguments here, two holds. The first one says right and left. I want it to go to left a bit, so I will put like minus 20, minus 12, sorry. Okay, good. And then I want it to go up, so I will put a positive number like a 20 again. Let's see. Okay, good. Maybe I will make this circle a bit smaller, like 10, maybe 10 is, yeah, okay. And then I want it to go a bit down, so I will change this to 50. Okay, so this looks good. So also I need to add two other ice cream scopes. So again, I click on the bracket, I choose the last option, which lets me to add new shapes. Then there is a hole, I click on that, and again I can create a circle. This circle needs a radius. I'm going to put like 12. Okay, and I'm going to fill it with like red, maybe it's cherry ice cream. Yeah, okay, and I need to move it. So again, I will move it up. Oh, this is right on, this was right on left. I didn't want it to go that far. Okay, and I want it to go up and down. Like 20 was a lot. Okay, good. And maybe another one. So another circle. Again, I will put the radius. I want this one to look a bit smaller, so I'll put an 8. And then I can fill it with color like, sorry, with yellow. And then I will move it up. So for right and left, I don't want it to move. I will put a 0. For the second one, I want it to go up like, let's see, more, maybe 30. Okay, it needs to go a bit to the left, so I will put like -5, a lot, -2, -3, better, and maybe I will make this one's a bit closer, the red one and the green one. So I will move this, it's 10 to the right, so I will make it a bit closer. And for the green one, I will make it -10. Okay, this looks good to me. Like maybe this yellow one needs to go a bit down. But yes, this was pretty much what I wanted you to learn. Like I wanted to see how this application can be useful to the kids. They are, as you can see, the kid can create whatever they want and create the code without making spelling mistakes or making indent mistakes, with only because they are choosing between the correct options.